Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to find your private videos on TikTok. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom right hand corner and click on Me. That will bring you to your profile page where at the bottom of the screen you're going to see a lock icon. Go ahead and click on that lock icon. Here it will show you all of the videos that you have made private. If you'd like, click on the video. That will load up the video itself, and then go down to the bottom right hand corner just above your profile and click on that three-dot menu. It'll bring up this tab where you can swipe to the right and find privacy settings. Go ahead and click on privacy settings. And if you'd like, you can decide who can watch this video by tapping on who can watch this video. And you can adjust it to be for everybody, for friends, or for just yourself by keeping it private. I hope this video helped you on how to find your private videos on TikTok. If it did, smash like and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.